Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. Students, today I will get you the exact question paper for Sainik School entrance examination for the exam held on 7th February 2021 by National Testing Agency. And the subject, the portion of the paper that I will cover is reasoning or intelligence section. Clear? Intelligence section or reasoning. I will cover this topic in two parts. This is part 1 and another will be part 2. Clear? So, there is an information for all those aspirants who are preparing for the Sainik School entrance examination for the year 2022-23. They can avail our pen drive courses, our Android courses, our website course. In our course, the feature of our courses are you will get concept videos, topic wise quiz, mixed quiz, sample paper, previous year paper, and for the preparation in a very structured manner we have a premium telegram group in which we send daily notification, daily schedule. To follow that schedule, students can prepare, can enhance their preparation in a very structured, in a very scheduled manner. Also, those students who do not have a good internet facility, they can avail our pen drive course. Just insert our pen drive course in your desktop, laptop, and enjoy the watching. Now, on the day of 15th August, Independence Day, we have launched a sale offer. You will get 15% discount on every course. So I think you should grasp the opportunity and purchase the course, that you will get 15% offer, 15% discount at every course. Now come to the topic. This is the exact paper, this is the official paper of the class 9th for Sainik School entrance examination, that is for 2021. The exam was conducted on 7th Feb 2021. Test booklet B. Here, test booklet B. There are 5 sections: A, B, C, D, E. Math section, GK section, English section, language section, Hindi section, but social science section, general science section for the 9th. But I will cover in this only intelligence section, that is section E. Intelligence is also known as reasoning. Clear? So this is the official paper, and you can see question number 126, 127, 129, and 133 and 144. Last is 150, because in the Sainik School entrance examination for class 9, total 25 questions come from the reasoning section, intelligence section. Here in this part I will cover around 12 questions. In the next part I will cover 13, the remaining one. Now let's start. So this is the question number 26, 126. Let's start. In a list, if Shikha is 15th from the upper end and 17th from the lower end, then find the total number of people in the list. Clear? So this is the question from the ranking and order section of the topic. There is a topic in reasoning in which we cover ranking and orders. Clear? So if you have seen our, if you are a student of our app, you have learned that there is a formula for this type of questions, that left hand plus right hand minus 1 equal to total student. Clear? In the case of bottom and lower, bottom plus upper end minus 1 equal to total students. Understand? So here bottom from the upper end, her rank is 15th. Now add 15 plus from the bottom end means lower end, her rank is 17 minus 1 equal to total students. So 17 plus 15 is 32, minus 1 is 31. So total students in the class is total people in the list is 31. So the correct answer is option number C. Now next question. Find the fourth proportional of 4, 5 and 16. So 4, 5, 16, you have to find the fourth proportional. Let's write the fourth proportional is x. Now the multiply of the middle one is equal to the multiply of the outer one. Now the middle terms multiply is 5 into 16 and the outer term multiply is 4 into x. The value of x will come, the 4 will go in the divide, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, the value of x is 20, that is the fourth proportional. The correct answer is option number 4. Next, pitch. Pitch is analogy. This is the part of analogy section. Pitch is related to cricket in the same way arena is related to. So pitch is a playground for the cricket game. Similarly, arena is the related to wrestling. Arena is a fencing game. Actually, arena is used for fencing game. And tennis is in the tennis court. In the tennis, the playground is court. For the badminton, also court. Next, the time in the clock is 12:15. If the hour end points to the east, which is the direction opposite to minute end? So this is the clock and clock section, clock topic, clock and time. So what is the meaning of 12:15? 12:15. Past means later. So 12 and quarter is 1/4 of any part. 1/4 of any part. So in 1 hour there is 60 minutes, and 1/4 of 60 is 15 minutes. Though the meaning of quarter is 15 minutes. So 12:15 means 12:15. 12:15. Understand? 12:15. Now, if the hour end points toward, let's draw a clock. This is a clock. This is 12 and 12:15. This will be the hour end and this will be the minute end. Clear? This will be the minute end, because let's draw 12, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. So in our terms 1, 2, 3, 4, in minutes some 10, 5, 10, 15. There are subsection also. Clear? Now, but the direction of the hour end is east direction. There are 4 directions. These are east, west, north, south. If the direction of hour end is this direction, then the direction of minute end will be direction this at this time 12:15, quarter past 12:15. Clear? The direction of minute end will be downward. So in the question, which is the direction opposite to the minute end? So the direction to the opposite to the minute end, if the minute end is in the direction of south, the opposite direction to that south is north. Clear? To that south is north. So the correct answer will be option number 4. Next, 5 boys A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a row. Sitting arrangement. The question related to sitting arrangement. A is to the right of B and E is to the left of B, but to the right of C. A is to the left of D, who is second from the left hand. Just draw a line and put and arrange 5 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Now, there are so many students in their mind. The doubt will come that what is the direction of student? Are they sitting in the north direction? Are they sitting in the south direction? The answer will be same. Whether they are sitting in a north direction or whether they are sitting in a south direction, the answer will be same. However, there is a technical error in this question, because the National Testing Agency should clarify that all the students are sitting in a same direction. If I put the students, arrange the student in this direction, this one this direction, the answer can be changed and the answer will be none of the above. The question will be invalid. But I assume that all the students are sitting in a same direction. Understand? Now all the students are sitting in the same direction. So now A is to the right of B, A is to the right of B, and E is to the left of B. If I put B here, then the direction of E should be here. That is not possible. If I put B here, the direction of E is here, left, but left of B, but to the right of C, and the direction of, and the position of E should be the right of C, but we can't arrange C here because no one is left to the no one is sitting to the left of P. So what is the position of B? B should be here. 2 3 4 5. B is here. Clear? And E is to the left of B. E is to the left of B, but to the right of C. But to the right of C. Clear? But to the right of C. Now A is to the right of B and A is to the left of D. A is to the right of B and A is to the left of D. Clear? Now this is the correct arrangement of sitting all the 5 students. Now who is second from the left hand? In the question, the question is asked, who is second from the left hand? From the left hand, second is option number that is E. E is option number second. Option number second is the correct answer. Is the correct answer. Next, a word has been given followed by 4 other words. One word which can be formed using the letter from the given words. So word preparation. The question is dictionary word preparation. You have to use all the alphabets and tell which word can be formed from these alphabets. Now pamper. Let's pamper. In the pamper, 2 P's have come. 2 P's have come. Yes, 2 P is used. AM. You will notice there is not any M. There is not any M in this preparation. So this cannot be formed. Repeat. Only one E is used. Here is 2 E is used. So this cannot be formed. Partition. There is 2 T's are formed. 2 T's are used. But here is only 1 T. So the correct answer is option number 4, parrot. Next. What is the angle between the hour end and the minute end when it is 5:10 p.m.? So there is a clock. If you have learned the basics of the clock, that. So let me draw. This is the clock. This is 12, 3, 6 and 9. Clear? So the angle between minute and hour end. Let me draw again. This is 12, 3, 6 and 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Clear? Now what is the angle between these two sections? What is the angle? Actually the total angle is 360, you know, and how many parts are there? There are 12 parts. So the angle between one part is upon 12, that is 12 3 is 36, 30 degree. So the angle between one part is 30 degree. Now 5:10 p.m. So at the 5, the hour end will be around here, approx here, hour end, and the position of minute end will be here at 2. This is minute end, exactly at 2. Now you have to calculate the angle between these two lines, these two sections, this angle. So this is 30, this is 30, this is 30. So the total is 90, and this is slightly more than 30, more than because this is slightly ahead from 5. So the angle should be greater than 90 and but less than 120. So just check the option. So the first two option gets eliminate. Clear? First two you can avoid first two options. Now 115 and 95. So 115 would be here, 115 would be around here, but this is here. So correct answer is option number D. Now comes to the exact number. How to calculate the exact answer? 95 degree. This is the guessing method, and you can mark this answer also, but let's calculate the exact. As you know, in 60 minutes our ends cover 30 degree angles. Clear? Because this is 30. In 60 minutes our end covers 30 degree angles. In 1 minute it will cover 60 upon 30, 30 upon 60, and in 10 minutes how much angle will be made by our end, that is into 10, 10 6 are 60, 6 5 are 30, that is 5 degree. So this angle is 5 degree more, that is 90 plus 5 is equal to 95 degree, exact one. Next, this is the direction question. So from his house Ramesh goes 15 kilometer to north. So let us suppose this is Ramesh house, 15 kilometer north. This is 15 kilometer north because the upper direction is north, 15. Then he turns west and cover, from this direction he turns west and covers 20 kilometers. So this is 20. Then he turns south and covers 5. This is 5. Finally he turns east and covers 30. This is east and covers 30. This is 20 or this is 10. Total is 30. Looking from his house, in which direction he is standing. So that this is the actual position, starting position of his house, and this is the final position. You have to find what is the direction of final position with respect to Ramesh's initial position. So what is this direction? This direction is north, upper one is north, and this is east. This is east. You notice that this is north and this is east. So the correct answer is northeast. Northeast, yes, option number 2 is the correct answer, northeast. Clear? Next, 5 friends are sitting in a row. Amar is taller than Samir. Amar is taller than Samir. Prabhat is taller than Umesh but not as tall as Samir. Clear? So this is, yes, Amar is taller than Samir, and Prabhat is taller than Umesh. Prabhat is taller than Umesh, but shorter than, because in the question it is said that not as tall as Samir, means shorter than Samir. So this is the actual arrangement, shorter than Samir. Ashok is shorter than Umesh. Ashok is shorter than Umesh. So Ashok, here is Ashok. Clear? This is the exact their serial order according to their height. Who among them is the shortest? So who among them is the shortest? Ashok. The correct answer is Ashok is the shortest. Next, insert the missing number. Insert the missing number. Series type question. Here is 30, 34, 8. So add 30 plus 34. 30 plus 34 equal to 64, and square root of 64. Square root of 64 is, under root of 64 is 8. So I got 8 here. Now 12 plus 13 in the second one. 12 plus 13, that is 25. Square root of 25, I got 5. In the same way, this one plus add this one, and after the after finding the square root of those two number, I will get 7. So 30 and the square root of 7 is 7 is the square root of 49. Clear? So what should I add here? That is 30 plus 19. Clear? 30 plus 19, that is 49, and square root of 49 is 7. So here should be 19. Okay. There is no option of 19, means yes, it can be a mistake by the agency also. So the correct answer should be 19. None of these is the 19. 19 is the correct answer. Next, none of these. In this question the answer should be none of these. None of these. Clear? Next, choose the alternative that best represents a relationship similar to the one expressed in original pairs. So f is related to 216. So in the alphabet series, what is the position of f? F is at a position of 6, because you have learned EJOT rules. EJOT, E is 5 and the next one to the E is F, that is 6. So F is at 6 position. So and this is 216. 216 is the cube of 6 cube, that is 6 into 6 into 6 is 216. Clear? In the same way, L, what is the position of L? L is 12. Clear? L is 12. So what is the next term will be the cube of 12. 12 cube is 12 into 12 into 12, that is 12 144 into 12, that is 1728. The correct answer is option number A, option number 1. Yes, coding decoding. In a certain code, terminal is terminal. Just write terminal here, TERMINAL. Terminal is NSFUMBOJ. Clear? So you will notice here M plus 1 N, R plus 1 S, E plus 1 F, T plus 1 U, L plus 1 M, A plus 1 B, N plus 1 O, I plus 1 J. So we have find the pattern. Now use this pattern in the word. How mate is written as mate, MATE, mate. Clear? So the next for T is U, A for B, M for N, E for F, and T for U. BNFU. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Option number 3. Next. So I have covered around 12 questions. Clear? This is the student task. This is question number 128. In the question number 128, I told you that pitch is related to cricket. In the same way, arena is related to wrestling, because arena is used. Arena is a ground in which fencing game. There is a ring type games. Clear? Now you have to tell what is the name of playground for gymnastics. This is the task for student. Students, you have to answer this question in the comment box. Okay, this is your homework. If you find the video is beneficial for you, then like our video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get latest notification, sample papers, question papers, and admit cards. All the information related to Sainik School you will get on our platform. Clear? So with this valuable information, valuable video, I end up my video. One thing more, if you have any doubt, you can contact on these numbers. These are our official numbers. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.